Hello, welcome to the demonstration or Enterprise Vault. First of all, we must to enter with already registered account. And we see the vault that is already created. So we must to add a new vault. I complete the name, description, picture and select Enterprise Vault in our case. Now we'll save it. And we can see our new vault of enterprise type. So we enter here and we can see already defined types. Now we go to the groups and we can see the administrator group that is already created by default with the member that is the owner of the vault. So we must reuse this group to remove only the permission that is related with the creation of record. We must segregate this function to our IT administrator person. We can save it. And we create another group for the IT members. And we grant the permission of creation record, edition, deletion, and search the record. So we must add the member here. Here and search. Okay, and we have already one member for the demonstration. We save it. And we see the both groups. Now we go to the types and the difference between, for example, Linux restricted SIP is one attribute that exists in the Enterprise Vault, that is password request needed to view. When this flag is set, all records that belong to this type must request authorization for view the password. And the person that is grant this authorization is the security officer that, for example, is defined in the administration group here. Please notice that we can have at the same time in the vault type that requests authorization to see the password or not. So in this way we can have a complex security policy depending on our preference for each enterprise vault. Now we can change the user to see how is look the other role in our enterprise vault. Now with the other user we enter and we can see the enterprise vault, and now we can create record to fill this vault. I create two records. One is a normal type that not require permission to see the password, like this, like a shared vault or personal vault, and the another one I can see the password. I need to request permission to see it. We complete the description of the request and press the button, so the workflow start here, and all the person that have permission to grant the access receive one email notification about the event. Notification look like this and can be approved directly pressing the link. And after that, the request person receives the notification about the decision of the security officer. The notification looks like this, and now it's ready to access. We have two options. One is go directly to the record, and we can see the password. And another way is go to the menu, select the option, and it filters the record that was requested and granted, and we can access to the record, and we can use the password, and after that we can change the password and close the envelope. So at this point the workflow has finished. Now we can see another way to grant the record requests. The security officer, after receive the email notification about the request, can go directly to the tool, to the option, request list to grant, and see the list, and can enter to the record and approve directly or reject. Now I will show you the audit trail feature that is one of the most important in the Enterprise Vault. So for that, we enter with the security information user and go to the vault, the Enterprise Vault, here, and in the vault menu we select the audit list option. In this screen we define the filter and create a report. As you can see in the report, for each event we can see the date, the user, the event type, and the values. Another way to create the audit report is select one element like record, type, or group, and enter in the edition screen of this element and go to the menu and select audit list. In this case, it's filtered for this specified record or type or group. And we create the report. And we obtain the audit for a forensic analysis about the event related with this element. And in the report, with the mouse right click, we can save in HTML format. This is the end of the Enterprise Vault demo, and if you have any another question, can contact to the support team to assist you. Thank you very much for your time.